So, on a little while back, I posted this online, and I said that the bagels were the most fun to make. Then I decided to show everyone how to create the bagels, and I made that photo. Okay, so then first step is to clean the counter. Done. Need my recipe. Okay, that works. And then bagel recipe. So start it off. First off, we need 300 grams of water. Okay, so you want that water about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So then next off, you need to get your yeast. Now we're using quick rise. So what you're gonna need is 2 3/4 teaspoons of yeast. So then you wanna just give it a nice stir here until it's all dissolved. So in a large mixing bowl, you get 4 cups or 500 grams of bread flour. Next, you need 1 teaspoon of salt. And then 5 1/4 teaspoons of sugar. And then what you want to do is just give that a stir. Is before you put the yeast water in, you just got to give it a little mix, and then here's what you do. You just pour the whole thing into the middle. Then you take your hand, and you just want to use the edges. So you want to scrape the bottom of the bowl, and then you see you got all this fluffy stuff, and then it should all get soaked up. You got your dough, okay? Plop that on the counter, and then just start to knead it until like it's all nice and smooth. So once your dough's nice and smooth, you want to take it, drop it in the bowl, and then you want to get a damp towel. Place it over the bowl, leave it to rise for from 1 to 2 hours. You have to do something to the bread. After that, you just gotta take dough out of the bowl. The sharpest knife that we can find. Add that into about 8 even pieces. Yeah. Okay, then you want to place all of them on a baking sheet. Okay, and as you're waiting for that, grab a large pot and fill it with water, but a few inches deep. Once that's done, get your water, put it on the stove. I put it when it's about 7 minutes left on that clock. Plan, here. Water's boiling. Okay, so we gotta do this for 1 minute. You go like this, and you go like this, and then you roll it like woo, and then you do that 3 more times. Here's what you do. Okay, so then you get your 1 minute timer. Okay, you go bop, bam, bam. And you want to bring the water to like a gentle boil. Flip it. Yeah. Yes. Then what you want to do is your sesame seeds. You take them out, transfer to baking sheet, but you can also go like this. You know, and then because they're boiling hot, you gotta just maybe go like this, move around a bit, and then boom, there's your sesame seeds. Ow, that's my hands hurt. Okay, and then you get 3 more. Right now, preheat the oven to 3. Convection. I just spent like the last 1.5 hours editing. Then coat your eggs with egg wash. We're using egg whites from something else in milk, but hashtag mistakes were made here. Well, this is, put your bagels on, and then lightly coat your bagels in egg wash. and then bake it on convection bake for about 25 minutes. Okay, dumb stuff by me. Let's see if this water's still hot. Yeah, no, that's hot. Okay. Gotta have the proper footwear to go on outside, you know, flip-flops. Okay, can you come outside with me?
No.
Please?
No.
You sure?
Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Can you please come outside?
No.
No?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
That's just hot water. I lost my flip-flop.
This is so dumb. What are you doing?
What?
You touch me with your feet, you're not.
Okay, so then you take it and pull it right out of the, okay then. Alright.
Just say good enough.
Looks good. And then since they just came out of the oven, they're not that hot, so then you just transfer them to a wire rack. Just transfer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.